If you want to create AI videos in 2025, Sora 2 is still one of the best tools out there. And if you think Sora 2 is old, boring, or outdated, trust me, you're wrong. Sora 2 is not dead. In fact, Sora 2 just got some new features that even tools like Veo can't offer right now. Now here's the crazy part. If you want to use Sora 2 for free, you don't need any invite code at all. All you need is a VPN, something like OneVPN or Urban VPN. Just turn it on, set the location to USA, and log in to Sora 2. That's it. Boom! Sora 2 unlocked for free. Now once you're inside Sora 2, let me show you the most powerful feature. Right here, you'll see the storyboard option. Click on it, and now you can create multiple scenes for your video. You can add as many scenes as you want. Totally your choice. In my case, I only created a few scenes like this. Down here, you can set the video ratio and video duration easily. And if you ever see this red line appear, don't panic. Just click here, and Sora 2 will automatically fix the prompt and adjust the video duration perfectly. This feature is honestly insane. After that, just click Generate, and you're done. Now let me show you another powerful feature. If you click here and go to Styles, you can select any style you want. And when you generate your video using a style, Sora 2 will keep the same pose, same vibe, and same consistency across scenes, just like this. And here are the final video results. Check them out. Clean, cinematic, professional.
Hey guys, I know I look a mess right now, but please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to me. It would mean so much. I'm trying so hard, and I'm just asking, please hit that button. Thank you. Hey guys, I know I look a mess. Hey, I know this is kind of awkward, but if you're watching this, could you please subscribe? I've been trying so hard, and it would mean the world to me. Please, thank you.
So yeah, this is Sora 2 in 2025. Definitely not boring, definitely not old. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and tell me what topic you want me to cover next. I'll 100% try to make a video on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Master AI Hub, because we turn AI into cinematic magic.